How do basal ganglia affect Parkinson's muscle rigidity? Imagine your brain as a well-orchestrated team working together to make your movements smooth and controlled. The basal ganglia are like the team's coordinators, helping to fine-tune your muscle activity. In Parkinson's disease, this coordination gets disrupted, leading to muscle rigidity. But how exactly does this happen? The basal ganglia are a group of interconnected structures deep inside the brain that play a key role in controlling movement. They help balance two main pathways, one that encourages movement and another that suppresses unwanted movements. Under normal conditions, dopamine, a chemical messenger, signals the basal ganglia to keep this balance in check. When dopamine is plentiful, movements are smooth and purposeful. In Parkinson's disease, dopamine-producing neurons in a part of the brain called the substantia nigra start to die off. This loss of dopamine means the basal ganglia can no longer regulate movement properly. Without enough dopamine, the basal ganglia send abnormal signals to the rest of the brain, especially to the thalamus and the motor cortex, which are involved in planning and executing movements. These signals become overly inhibitory, meaning they tell the muscles to stay tense even when they shouldn't. This results in muscle rigidity, which feels like stiffness or resistance to movement. Research shows that the abnormal firing patterns in the basal ganglia are a big part of why rigidity occurs. Instead of firing in a smooth, coordinated way, neurons start to fire in bursts and oscillate abnormally. This erratic activity interferes with normal motor signals, making muscles stiff and hard to move. Scientists also believe that the brain tries to adapt to the dopamine loss by rewiring itself, but these changes can sometimes make symptoms worse. For example, the pathways within the basal ganglia may become less responsive or connect differently, which can intensify rigidity and other motor problems. So, in simple terms, muscle rigidity in Parkinson's disease is caused by the basal ganglia's inability to regulate muscle activity properly because of dopamine loss. The disrupted signals lead to increased muscle tone and stiffness, affecting movement and daily life. Understanding these complex brain changes helps researchers develop better treatments aimed at reducing rigidity and improving quality of life. Always remember, if you or someone you know is experiencing symptoms, consulting a healthcare professional is essential for personalized care and management.